Ashish and this is Team Endgame Terror. This is API Quest. Evergreen action flows through 5 MCP tools into a fast API server in an apartment container to Greenite 3B running locally. And the trace panel show everything, every single tool call, payload, AI response, token count, and latency is visible in real time in the trace panel. Now, why this matters? Because it uses zero cloud, or it all runs in your machine. Observable AI, every prompt, every response, every tool with latency, full transparency, and we use no black box, and it is containerized, rootless, no daemon, air grab compatible. Now, this same pattern works for any industry. A hospital. A hospital uses MCP tools to pull patient records, summarize lab results. The trace panel logs every decision for compliance. A bank detects fraud. A government agency answers classified queries. Swap the game for any domain, the architecture will be the same. That's why this is basically about the architecture. Now let me show you. Uh, list. Here it shows this. The model is running locally, and this you can see DM server is containerized in Podman. Now let's play the game. So refresh the page. Basically, this is the API. Quest, attack, click an enemy to target it, close, then press attack. Abilities, MCP trace. Watch on the right panel, it has the MCP tracing live. Now I'll click the dungeon and entry. On the right panel, I can watch the trace panel. The real MCP tool calls 200. Okay, so this is great. Now I'll click on the show prompt. Here I'll zoom it. Here you can see I've entered the room. The room is the entrance. The merchant is here. So I can see here the exact prompt, token, real AI response. Now I can talk to a merchant. You can see here on the right panel the AI trace. Now if I want anything, I can have someone like I'll buy a retry token. Now I bought the retry token. Okay, now I will move somewhere. Here are the enemies, so I'll move to the auth chamber. And I'll give an attack. So basically the game has combination of multiplayers, tactical AI, hints, and status effects like burn, freeze, and 3-phase final boss. Now we can play the game until we win, but now basically this is an enterprise private AI architecture. It is rootless, containers, local interface, and it has zero cloud. The dungeon is the demo, and the architecture is basically the products. So using this architecture, we can build the hospital thing, government agency thing. So this is basically about architecture, and I just wanted to show it easily through a game. So thank you.